What's that there?
Hockey.
Air hockey.
And foosball.
That's foosball. You got that.
Wow. And what's that, Jay? A Christmas tree. Oh, there's presents. Wow.
Well, all is free.
I don't know.
Just in case you lose it.
Or because I'm so good, you might need two people to play against me.
But this one doesn't have an air hockey thing.
I don't know why. I don't know why.
Grandma said today the paper didn't burn.
Oh, good. Well, you want to take off your jacket and then we'll get going from there?
Yeah, but how do we know which one's mine?
They're all yours.
Whoa.
Wait. Let me.
Sure.